Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone, good morning. Before I begin the class, let me introduce myself. My name is Destan Warisel, and today I'm the teacher that will assist you to learn the new material of this class. It is the hortatory tag. By the way, you guys already grade second in junior high school. Have you ever heard the hortatory tag? Okay, I understand that you never heard the hortatory tag because it is new and can be intermediate material. But today we will learn this material. But you don't need to worry because I'll explain you in easy ways, in fun way. And at the end of my class, I'll already prepare your name to create a group, to make a group, so you can discuss later about today material. Without further ado, let me begin the class. Oh, sorry, I forgot to greet you. How are you, class? Is it doing well? Okay, thank you for your answer. I'm glad to hear that you guys doing well. Maybe you wonder why there is a traffic light on the right side, because it need for just for sign like green is like red mean I haven't started the material, and yellow is for like I explain it explain the material, and the yellow is mean begin the class and start the class. Okay, so I'm about to begin our class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I already prepared for you the material, so as you can see, we can read together and discuss about the structure, the meaning of the tag, and we can know better about what is the hortatory tag mean. But don't worry, because it is new for you. I'll help you to read today material. The theme is smoking impact in public health. Introduction: the detrimental impact of smoking on public health is pressing concern that demand immediate attention beyond the individual health risks associated with smoking. Its effect extend to the broader community, necessitating collective action to address this pervasive issue. And we move to second structure. Its argument: one of the most alarming aspects of smoking is its staggering toll on global health. Each year, millions of lives are cut short due to tobacco-related disease, making smoking the leading cause of preventable death worldwide. Moreover, the harmful effects of smoking are not limited to smokers alone. Non-smokers who are exposed to secondhand smoke also face increased risk of developing various health conditions, including cardiovascular disease, respiratory infection, and the recommendation to mitigate the impact of smoking on public health. Policymakers must prioritize the implementation of evidence-based tobacco control measures. This includes enacting comprehensive smoke-free law that prohibits smoking in all public places, including street, park, and public transportation. Additionally, restricting on smoking should be strictly enforced to minimize exposure to secondhand smoke. Communities and individuals can also play a crucial role by advocating for smoke-free environment, supporting smoking cessation effort, and raising awareness about the health risks of tobacco use. So, as you can see, there are three structures, and one of them is, and each of them is consists three paragraph, and it mean explain the introduction and argument recommendation. It has function to persuade the reader. But before I explain you deeply, is there any question? Okay, I got it. You guys want me to explain the structure, and I'll explain it. As I promised before, this session will be fun and will be fresh for you because it is your new material. So, hortatory exposition is a persuasive text that explains an issue, give supporting reason, and encourage the reader to take a specific action or follow a recommendation. The structure. Thesis. Thesis or introduction is the same thing. It's introduce the topic, state the writer opinion or position. As you can see, it's introduced that the detrimental impact of smoking on public health is pressing concern that demand immediate attention. It means like we need to do something and quick, and it's state the writer position as a environment, as a society, and opinion. It's like let's stop the spread of smoking in public. And the second argument. Argument is provide reason, evidence, or explanation, and each argument support thesis. To support the thesis. Well, as you can see, one of the most alarming aspects of smoking it is staggering toll on global health. Each year, millions of lives are cut short. It is the provide reason of why we need to stop smoking in public, and here the evidence that each year millions of lives are cut short due to tobacco-related disease. And each argument like this, and this, it is support this because it states the fact that why we need to stop smoking in public health. And we move to recommendation. Recommendation is give advice and tell the reader what they should do or shall not do. As you can see, the mitigate the impact of smoking public health. It means the advice that policymakers must prioritize the implementation is telling them what they need to do and what they should not to do, is like avoid the smoking. It's avoid. You need to avoid that, especially smoking in public. because it's very harmful for children or for any elder. Like it's very bad and have no good for environment or society. So that is the explanation of hortatory tag. Like the simple way, it's hortatory tag is like you can use not only for the news but also for promoting something, like you promoting a motorcycle and you give the introduction of motorcycle, like, oh, here's the good motorcycle and you need to buy this because it's very useful. And the argument, like, you give the reason why you need to buy this, like because it has good speed and it's low consume for gas, and like you can do argument support to support the introduction. And the recommendation is like you can make your own opinion why you guys or why we need to buy the motorcycle, and you create the great paragraph. So before I end the class, I'll reshuffle the group to that we need to discuss about the material letter. And group 1 is discussing the thesis or introduction, and the group 2 discussing the argument, and group 3 discussing the recommendation. And I'll reshuffle this and I'll shuffle this. Okay, maybe I need 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Group 1, which contains Selva, Chandra, Diana, is discussing introduction. And group 2, Danny, Harry, Rosikin, it's discussing argumentation. And group 3 contains Eko, Kartika, and Murni is discussing the recommendation. What you need to do, guys, it's why the introduction need to put in hortatory tag, and you can do breakdown why introduction and what we need to put in introduction, like all of you, group 2, group 3, when we need to put argument and what is the most important thing about argument, or what the most important thing about recommendation to put, because it can create the hortatory tag, or it can easily persuade the reader. So maybe that's all for today class, because it is your first material. We need to slowly to start, and yeah, that's it. Thank you from me, and see you guys.